First stop on the Foodie Passport series, Haiti, and we're diving into a dish so rich, so delicious. It tells a story with every bite. Haitian legume. This is one of my favorites. First things first, you have to clean that meat. You cannot cook Haitian food and not clean your meat the Haitian way. Now let's season it. You can use whatever you like, but you better have that épice. It is a must. Now time to peel our veggies. Chayote, eggplant, tomato, cabbage, carrot, watercress, spinach. Those are all the veggies that you're going to need for this dish. Then we're going to steam it down for about 45 minutes or so. And at about the 15-minute mark, I added my watercress and spinach. Then I removed the veggies and we're going to mash them up. I use a pilon. That's crazy. I'm not Haitian, but I don't know how to say it in English. But yeah, mash those veggies up. Now we're going to put it all together. Add some oil, épice, and tomato paste. Add in your meat and let it cook about 5 minutes to give it color. I added some blue crab, then my veggies. Let that come together for about 20 minutes and you have a masterpiece. Believe me when I say you have had nothing like legume. Trust me, look at that. Your passport has been stamped in Haiti. Let me know in the comments where we should fly to next.